Hello everyone, my name is Pablo Belanda Torres. I am 33 years old. I am living in Restrepo. I have a baby. He is 8 years old. I am studying business management. I am in 8th semester. That's it. Okay, finally, I've decided to talk about the comparison between two objects. In this case, these objects are two cars. Okay, let's start. We have in the first place a white car. This car is older than the second car. The second car is a new car, is a new model, and is newer than the white car. The brown car is bigger than the white car. Uh, the brown car has more space than the white car. The white car is less beautiful than the brown car. Apparently, the second car, that means the brown car, is mm, faster than the white car. We could say about the windows. The windows of the brown car are cleaner than the white car. Okay, that's the comparison done by me. Thanks for watching.